So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 23rd of Feb till the 1st of March 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Okay, overall energy for Leo people for this week regarding their love and relationship area. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, let's see. We have the strength card, judgment card, hierophant. Bottom of the deck is the knight of swords. Okay, so it's taking you a lot of strength and courage to let go and release something or someone out of your life, out of your system, and you're trying your best to connect with your spiritual side, or you are trying your best to connect with your higher self, you can say. It's like you got so many lessons in your love and relationship area till this point of your life. Now you are feeling like you should become a spiritual person. Not all of you obviously, but most of you guys are feeling like, okay, it's better to be alone, it's better to go deeper into myself and figure it out, because outside world it's not working. Bottom of the deck is the knight of swords. You guys are super frustrated by the idea of love right now. Like, you guys don't want to even talk about it, you guys don't want to even think about it, you guys are like, I don't give a crap. All people are shitty. If you're a man, all women are shitty. If you are a woman, all men are shitty. If you are into same sex, then everybody is shitty. Yep. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. Right now you're frustrated with your love and relationship area. That's the overall energy. This person's current feelings for you. Three of Pentacles. This person feels like there should be equal interest and investment in the situation from both the sides. They might be becoming very practical, especially if you guys are working together. This person feels like the work should not suffer because of our personal issues. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Pentacles here. We have the Seven of Wands, the Death card, and the Ace of Swords, right? This person is feeling like this not talking to you or not communicating with you properly is not working out. Now this person feels like clearing the air with you in a very blunt and honest manner, so that you guys can start from the start. And there's something that you guys are doing together, there's something that's important for both of you. So according to them, the show must go on, even if you guys are having the most shittiest relationship of this whole world. And they feel like they should come towards you with some kind of truth or clarity. That is going to be important for you guys to, you know, keep moving forward. I don't know what this crap is, but this person is feeling like that. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Queen of Wands. From your side, you feel like no matter what, you should just put on your favorite mask on your face, and you should just keep moving ahead. It's a metaphor. So you feel like no matter how much crappy my life is, I am just going to look good. I'm just going to make other people feel like I am the queen of the world or the king of the world, and I don't give a crap about anything or anyone. That's the attitude right now that you're carrying. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands as your current feelings for this particular person or situation. We have the Six of Wands and the Four of Cups and the Two of Pentacles, definitely. So you guys are feeling like if you guys are going to fake it till you make it, you guys are going to be actually happy. Yeah. It's not about any other person right now, Leo. It's about your own disappointments, your own in and out, on and off kind of energies in your love and relationship area. Now you feel like I should focus on myself, my name, fame, success, my money, job, career, my looks, and everything else, everyone else should go to hell. This is what you're feeling. So the person that you're attached to, they are feeling like there is something that's important for both of you to do together. So the show must go on. Maybe it's a fake marriage or fake relationship that you guys have to keep pretending to be in for the sake of society or something. Just an example, but this person feels like the show must go on even if you are having the most shittiest connection. For you, you are like, fuck this relationship, fuck everyone in this world. I am going to be my own king or my own queen, and I am going to fake it till I make it. Got it? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Two of Cups. Okay, this person wants to handle this situation with love and compassion. I don't know what's happening. This person wants this connection to be harmonious, to be beautiful. Okay, this is their intentions. I'm not saying they're going to do like something about it. Maybe, let's see. Let's clarify the Two of Cups as their intentions for you for this situation. We have the Empress, the Ten of Wands, the King of Cups. Yes, see, this person wants to keep pushing forward. Hmm? This person wants to have growth and expansion, and they want to drop the burdensome and heavy energy of expecting too much from them. They want you to not to expect too much from them, but they want this situation to keep moving forward. Okay, okay. They want the harmonious connection, they want the bond, they want the relationship, everything that a relationship can have, but they don't want you to pressurize them to do certain things or behave in a certain way or that kind of crap. They basically don't want to feel the pressure of the situation, but they want the situation, if this is making any sense to you. According to them, you are too much for them and they can't handle it. They want you, they want to have this growth and expansion, but they don't want to handle the pressure. They don't want any kind of pressure on them at all. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Four of Swords. You just want to detach and do your own thing. You just want to take a chill pill and you don't want to care about anything or anyone on this planet Earth. Right now, it's like you are very hurt from inside, Leo. What's happening, my love? You're so hurt from inside that you are denying any kind of relationship with anyone on this planet Earth and you just want to be by yourself. Like, right now, you're not even trusting yourself. You're like, I don't know who to trust and who not to trust and what the shit. But I don't want to deal with people. People, you. That's the deal with you. Let's it's like you just want to go into some kind of cave or something and you don't want to come back. You're scared and hurt. Ace of Wands, Nine of Swords, Knight of Wands. Again and again, I'm getting the same energy for you guys. From inside, you guys are craving for healing, craving for soft hearted energies around you so that you can cry, so that you can sleep properly, so that you can do normal things. Right now, you are living in the survival kind of energies only. You don't want to deal with this crap actually. Your heart is craving for all of that, but you are like, I am going to fake it till I make it. I am going to show myself as the happiest person alive on this planet Earth, and I'm not going to give a crap about anything or anyone because this is how the world works. So I am going to be like the whole world. I am also going to fake it until I make it. But what about the healing? I don't give a crap about healing. What healing? Healing is nothing. It's a bogus term coined by some bogus people. Yeah, I can understand, honey. Something is bothering you. Your love and relationship area is totally fucked up, and you are hurt. You are hurt, and you are trying your best to not to get hurt, and you are trying to avoid people as much as you can, and you are trying your best to look good, at least show the whole world that you are good, but you are feeling like crap from inside. And I can also feel it because of this reading. Let's see the possible outcome for you guys. The Chariot. It's like strong determination of no matter what. I am not going to stop. Okay. You are heading towards something or someone, and you guys are like, no matter what, I'm not going to stop. Let's clarify the Chariot here. as a potential outcome for you guys. We have the Empress, the Fool, the Nine of Cups. Yep, you guys are going to be like, okay, let's deal with this crap finally. So you guys are going to be very, very determined, very much in this energy of no matter what, I'm going to have the growth and expansion that I deserve, that I meant to have in my life. You are going to take some kind of risky decision, or you are going to make some kind of risky choice here, where your heart is telling you to go ahead and do it. Maybe a new job, maybe a new friendship, maybe connecting with someone from your past with whom you had a very, very beautiful kind of a connection with, maybe just a friendship kind of a deal, or more than friendship, who knows. But by the end of this week, you guys are going to be very, very determined in this energy of, let's figure it out, let's deal with this crap, and let me go where my heart is telling me to go. You are going to follow your heart like crazy by the end of this week, and finally you guys are going to feel the happiness again, because you guys are going to be in this energy of, let's deal with it. I do sense that you guys are going to connect or reconnect with someone with whom you're going to feel a lot of happiness, a lot of energy of, okay, now we are good. I don't think so this is the same person that you are trying to go away from or get rid of. This can be a friend from the past, maybe. Okay, but a very healing energy. Let's see the guidance here for you guys. We have the Ten of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, and the Four of Swords. See, when you are going to start this real healing part without any kind of, I don't give a shit about anything or anyone, I'm going to fake it till I'm going to make it. When you're going to start the real healing part, the universe is going to show you multiple paths to walk on, so that you can actually get the kind of happiness that you deserve and want in your life. It's all about acceptance and acknowledging that there is something that I need to heal and release properly in order to be on my path of happiness, right? So this acknowledgement, this awareness is actually going to help you to walk on the path of real happiness. There is help around you. Either you are going to, I am strongly sensing it, a past energy is entering in your life. Maybe energy of healing, that's something that you used to do in the past, you will start doing that again. Or a person who used to be a friend, or someone who used to be a healing energy around you at some point of time, you might reconnect with them. And then the moment you are going to do that, your path is going to be much more clearer and peaceful and happier. This is like a happy energy coming in. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area, Leo. This portion also might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it, okay? And what else? I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. Cool. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Baby, calm down. Oh. So your answer is, I'm sorry, I forgot, I have to give you the answer. Get more information. Get more information. This card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Okay? Seek to learn more about your present circumstances. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.